Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting project that can instantly transform your space installing vinyl plank flooring. Vinyl plank flooring is a versatile and durable option that's perfect for any room. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process in just 5 simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepare the subfloor. The first step is to ensure your subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Remove any debris, old flooring, or imperfections that might affect the installation. A smooth and even subfloor is essential for a successful installation. Step 2. Plan and layout. Before you start installing, plan your layout. Measure the dimensions of the room and decide on the direction you want the planks to run. Start with the longest wall and leave an inch expansion gap. Step 3. Install the first row. Now it's time to lay the first row of planks along the starting wall. Use the tongue and groove system to click the planks together. Make sure they fit snugly and securely. Spacers can help you maintain the proper gap between the planks and the wall. Step 4. Continue installing. As you move to the second and subsequent rows, continue clicking the planks together. Stagger the end joints of the planks for a more natural appearance. You can use a rubber mallet, a tapping block, or even your hands to ensure the planks are tightly connected. Step 5. Trim and finish. As you approach the last row, you may need to cut the planks to fit the remaining space. Measure carefully and use a saw to make accurate cuts. Once the planks are all in place, remove the spacers and install baseboards or molding to cover the expansion gap and complete the look. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to install vinyl plank flooring. Vinyl plank flooring is a fantastic DIY project that can instantly enhance the look of your space.